In this problem, we're going to do another recipe type of stoichiometry. In this case, we're going to make banana whoopie pies. So first of all, I'm listing out all of the ingredients that it takes to make these. So we've got flour, baking soda, salt, butter, shortening, vanilla, eggs, bananas, and pecans. And when you make a batch of these, that will produce 48 mini pies. So let's see what they want us to do in the first part. So in this question, 4 of these ingredients are in limited amounts. In this case, it's the butter. There's only 10 sticks of butter, 20 bananas, 8 cups of pecans, and 2 dozen eggs. So I want to figure out which one is the limiting ingredient, which one is going to run out first. So if you remember the examples we went over in class, we want to see how many batches each of these would produce. Whichever one produces the fewest, that will be the limiting reagent. So let's start off with the sticks of butter. I know to run a batch I only need half a stick, so I'd be able to run 20 batches off of the butter. The bananas, there are 3 bananas per batch. I could run 6.6 batches with the bananas. The pecans require 3/4 of a cup. I could run almost 11 batches with the pecans. And then finally the eggs, 2 eggs per batch 12 times. So looking over those 4 numbers, we can see the smallest is related to the bananas, so the bananas are going to run out first. They'll be the limiting ingredient, and they would stop our ability to make the mini pies. Now, based upon that answer, then we want to figure out how many pies we could make. So we're going to use the limiting ingredient, the one that's going to run out first, which is the bananas. So I've got 20 bananas. I know to make a batch that requires 3 bananas. And then in each batch, I can make 48 pies. Everything cancels out, and I get an answer of 320 pies. So anytime you've got ingredients that could run out on you, that would limit your ability to continue making whatever the recipe calls for.